you will see that I hope it should be the same. And then if dot dot, now all you'll have, I think lecture video where we were creating virtual environment, you may have noticed that I did not install any Python install these packages in this lecture, right? I show you the same for IB Gateway. I am cognizant that I have not yet shown you the IB Gateway interface, charts and things like that. 749 okay, API and then settings. So within configuration, you go to API and then you go to settings. Okay, terminal, right? You need to go to file. Then we are in the TWS terminal, right? You need to go to file, then global configuration. Then within global configuration, you need to go to, API and then settings. So within configuration, you go to API and then you go to settings. Okay. So here you will see that I have already checked it because I have been using it, right? And again, this is a paper trading account. You'll have to do the same for live trading account in TWS, right? So you'll have to enable ActiveS and socket clients. I mean, don't worry if you forget, you will get an error and then you will know that you need to do that, right? So yeah, I mean, you can't miss it. Okay, so just check it, and this will enable TWS to listen to your API calls on a given port, and that port is mentioned here, socket port, right? So if you recall from the slide, 7497 is the port number that you need to mention if you're using paper trading account. For live trading, and if you're using TWS, this number should be 7496. Okay. What else is interesting here? If you're working on TWS live trading, then I would recommend that if you are just playing around with things, just click on read only API, right? Read only API will let you not place or modify any trades, right? I mean, I don't see any reason why you would choose this for a paper trading account, but if you are testing on live account, it may be a good idea to click on read only API. Okay. What else is important here? Logging level, you can make detail. I mean, if you use detail, you will get a lot of information. You'll get a lot of log information when you run codes, right? I typically keep it as warning. Okay. Yeah, you can try. I mean, this by default is here. Allow connections from local host only. So this is for your security. If you are going to have, systems other than your local PC, which will be kind of used in your strategy, then you can uncheck this and give those IPs, and your TWS will be able to interact with them, and you will be able to place trades and fetch.
That was the command. Also space. Yes, my IP address has to be here. The trusted device.